Hello everyone, I'm Arena International Master and FIDE instructor Rishikesh Chavan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's practice games. Okay, we got white. So we are going to play some odd opening today. So maybe let's start with B3. So you can say this is King. I think this is King's Indian attack, right? I'm not sure. Hmm, We are going to play all freestyle attack. I don't know whether this will succeed or not. And oh, he didn't capture his bishop. I thought we lost this bishop. We totally missed this. Good for us. Good for us. I thought we lost the bishop. We were going to lose the rook. That's totally great. Should we capture the pawn first or should we open the file first? Let's capture the pawn first. We'll play d6 or d5. Yeah, as expected. Let's play this for now. We need to develop the pieces, maybe knight c3, long castle, etc. If we are attacking the king side, we'll need all our remaining pieces. Whenever you want to attack, make sure all your pieces or most of your pieces participate in the attack, and you cannot just attack your opponent with couple of pieces. Even if you attack with couple of pieces, your attack won't be successful. If you Yeah, we are going to exchange the rook. I want to play knight b5, but right now it won't work because he can save his pawn with knight to a6. So that way putting the knight on b5 is not very useful. So instead, let's play this. Let's keep our pieces active. Now if he plays this natural looking move, yeah, he did. He is a good player. Okay, but let's keep this thing active so that we can play this and then this rook knight to f6. The f6 is a nice home for our knight. Also, we will have to play this little c3 move, maybe at some later stage, so that his knight cannot get any active squares. We won't give him a check because then that way he will play king g7 and then he will simply exchange the rooks. So right now he's worried about his hanging bishop because knight f6 is a strong move. So I'm happy that we got a nice position out of that all wild opening where we blundered first and then even our opponent blundered. So he returned the favor. Okay, first thing first. If he goes here or here, we are going to play this check. Before he can, yeah, it's, is it a mate? No, he can move the king, right? He resigned. Yeah, he resigned, but why? Let's see. Instead of playing another match with him, let's analyze this position. Let's see what Mr. Stockfish says about this. Oh, that's a huge advantage. Oh, yes. Yes, we totally missed because after this king f8, we can play rook h8 check and then he will lose his rook. Yeah, that's why he resigned. Wow, this was a very nice game. We could win in just 20 moves. So let's see where he actually blundered or what went wrong. Okay, we played with some b3 and some random thing in the opening. Not random thing, we can say odd thing. Okay, it's all fine till this point. Okay, here he was having some advantage. Okay, that's fine, but okay. Yeah, here, see, suddenly Stockfish is showing clear plus for black, so we missed this bishop. So here we should have captured the bishop first, but even he missed, and then again it was almost equal. We had some little advantage in the opening. Plus 8 or even plus 1 is not plus 0.8 and plus 1 is not a big advantage. We have seen a super grandmaster missing plus 2 plus 3 advantages. Okay. Okay, here he was showing queen g2, right? Okay, we wanted to exchange the queens. So where did he blunder? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, here he should have played king g7 first, because see right now the bishop is supported by the knight. So even if we play knight e4 and f6, it's not that strong as his knight is bishop is supported. Sorry, and even there is no skewer coming up on the 8th rank. Okay, so this was a mistake. Knight e4 is fine. Yeah, even he's suggesting knight e4, e5. Again, e5 is a blunder. Okay. So, okay, he's suggesting rook to d8. Rook d8 should have held the position for a longer time, but he missed that, or maybe he didn't want to play that move at that point. Okay, this was a clear blunder because then after check, king h7, king g7, sorry, rook h7 check, and then it's all over for black. We are getting that rook for free. So I hope you enjoyed this little game. We started pretty oddly in the opening, but then all's well that ends well. So until next time, thank you very much, everyone.